Today is a very special day when we are launching the strategic plan, the National Strategic Plan for Rehabilitation here in Aruba. This has been quite a journey because we started in 2023 where we visited and we interviewed persons to get an assessment of the situation of rehabilitation here on the island. After we did that, right in this room, we had a session with stakeholders where they confirmed if what we had reported was correct and was in line with what was needed. And so we as PAHO, we take into consideration regional and global perspectives, and we met with the team here. There has been strong leadership from the Department of Public Health right throughout, and they have been on board. So after we completed the STARS report, which is the situational analysis, then a team would meet. We met over 8 to 9 months virtually, preparing the strategic plan. And then we visited here again, I think it was in November of 2024, and met in this same room with stakeholders who looked at what was suggested, and they had a chance to add, subtract, change so that it represented what were the needs of the country, not just of some other global or regional organization. And then after that, it was refined and shared. And we're very pleased to see the continuation of this process from the start to beginning. And now this has been approved by your government, and funding has been assigned, I've been told. And so there are a number of areas where work must continue. We recognize, and you would have heard it several times today, that as the population ages, there's going to be increasing need for rehabilitation. Older persons want to be able to live independently if they have access to some of these rehabilitative services. So this is something as Aruba is way ahead of a number of the other countries with whom we work, because our office covers not just Trinidad, but the 6 Dutch islands. We represent the PAHO organization and the World Health Organization in all of these countries. And so we are pleased to be able to be here today to see this launch of this plan after that continuous amount of work. And we are confident that the people of Aruba will benefit from this.